The International Monetary Fund put forward a spending plan to help in the global fight against COVID-19 worth some $50 billion. This is a plan that would design to increase the coverage of the COVAX facility, which is designed to ensure fair vaccine global distribution. It's also about boosting oxygen and supplies of tests, as well as increasing the capacity of test and trace programs around the world. The plans have now won the support of other multinational organisations, including the World Health Organization and the World Trade Organization, with the majority of that fund coming in the form of grants and loans. The WHO's Director General Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus said that meant the cash could get there quickly.
We particularly welcome that in the proposal, the majority of the new funding would be made available quickly through grants, including to fill the Act Accelerates funding gap. This would help us dramatically scale up the production of diagnostics, treatments, oxygen, medical equipment, and vaccines for equitable distribution.
In a joint op-ed that was published by the group of organisations, including the IMF, there was a call saying that this wasn't about the short-term fight against COVID-19. It was also about the longer-term picture, namely providing an economic boost of some $9 trillion by 2025. There's also been a new target set for global vaccinations. Last year, the WHO's COVAX facility said that they aim to vaccinate some 30% of the global population by the end of this year. This group of multinational bodies is now suggesting that that figure should increase to 40%. Part of this is about wealthier nations again being urged to immediately donate surplus vaccines to low and middle income countries in the developing world, particularly countries in Africa, but also in India as well, where the pandemic is continuing to rage. There is concern that unless that percentage of the world's population are vaccinated, then the pandemic will continue to spread and new variants could continue to emerge. Lucy Hoff, SABC News, Brussels.